Hi, I'm Mike McKenzie in Molson Finlay. Welcome to FinlayTV.
My name's Sean Tulloch. I'm a director at Tulloch Developments up in Shetland. So at Tulloch Developments we offer a construction company with a quarry service and ready-mix concrete service. So here at the Staney Hill Quarry we produce aggregates and stone for the construction industry and marine industry in Shetland. We've recently invested in some new quarry crushing equipment from Molson, so we've just bought a new Finlay J1170 Plus jaw crusher, a new C1540 cone crusher and a new 883 scalping screen. We chose to buy the Finlay brand because we've had previous experience with having 3 generations of equipment already from Finlay. The equipment served us well and we decided to invest in new equipment to increase productivity and reliability for producing service to our customers. Because we're on a remote location like Shetland, it's really important that we get good backup and service from a dealer. Molson's have provided that in the past, and they're always very proactive in giving us service when we need it, and all the parts are readily available when we need them. So.
We have the 883 Plus scalper, heavy duty scalper. This machine comes in various options. The option that we have here is 100mm punch plate on the top, 40mm woven mesh on the bottom. This is allowing them to scalp out the dirty materials in the blast and overburden. Scalps go to stockpile. Mid-size is feed material for their 1540 cone, and that allows them to process aggregates for their batching plant. The oversize, again, goes straight to the J1170 Plus and further processing to aggregates and crusher runs. The 883 Plus is the most popular scalper in the Finlay range. As I said before, this has got the punch plate option. It also comes with a finger option. It also has the option of a triple shaft, which is 3 shafts gear driven, which are a really aggressive box for that really sticky material. We also have the option of a spalek, which has got the flip flow bottom deck, which allows the breakup of material to be flipped and broken up and screened. As well as all these options, this machine comes standard with an apron feeder. This steel feeder feeds into the screen box. It allows you to process all year round slippy material, heavy material as dug from the face. This really does set this machine away from everyone else. This is fitted with a 2-deck 16x5 screen box with plenty surface area for high volume production. It is powered by a CAT diesel engine, stage 5, very fuel efficient. And behind me is the first J1170 Plus in Scotland. This machine is fitted with a VGF feeder. It also has the choice to have an independent pre-screen. It has a side belt fitted to take the fines out of the material. Going into the chamber is a 1100 by 700 size chamber with a max feed size of up to 600mm. The chamber has been upgraded to heavy duty shaft and bearings. This gives it a more robust design and a longer lifespan. The material falls down onto the discharge belt. We have a 510mm clearance there. This is a really good clearance for all applications such as quarrying, demolition, recycling. It also has the option to have a deflector plate fitted for rebar. Going up the discharge belt and to the end of the discharge, this machine is powered by a Scania Stage 5 final engine, which also runs AdBlue. The machine comes with an option of the overband magnet and a post screen, which allows you to make sized aggregates in a single pass. We have got the C1540 cone crusher being fed by the J1170 Plus. Material is fed into the feed hopper of the crusher. It is then taken by belt up to the chamber. Mounted on the top of the feeder we have the metal detection board, which detects metal. It alerts the operator by the flashing beacon. It allows the operator to come down and pull back the conveyor. It allows it to then be discharged by the purge system, which no other crusher in the market offers. In the centre of the crusher here, we've got the chamber, 1000mm chamber. It is able to be adjusted on the fly, out of crushing terms. This can be running whilst you adjust the close side setting. Today it's set at 24 mil, which allows us to give them plenty of feed material for their batching plants. Driving the chamber, we have the Scanny Tier 5, ran with AdBlue, complies with the European market. Inside the control cabinet, we have the controls itself with the interface for the operator to adjust everything at finger touch. We have the Magic Eye camera here, which is looking into the chamber. That allows you to see feed material for it being choke fed. We have the crushing pressures here, wedge lock pressure, and we have oil flow for the chamber itself to make sure that it's getting lubricated. All at ground level, all for the operator to see at once. Up here we have the diesel tank safely mounted within the footprint of the machine, and on top of the tank here we have the antenna for T-Link telematics. With T-Link you can get all the data from this machine sent to your computer, where you can see running hours, fuel usage, fault codes from anywhere in the world. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of FinlayTV. Please like and subscribe below to keep up to date with future episodes.